Most of the teachers work together during planning time. They're probably together during a holiday time. They're probably doing something for field trips. They're probably doing something for picture day. They're probably doing something for their school picnic. I mean, all type of things, right? The teachers in our schools are a close-knit community. And so why not capitalize on that and showcase a teacher t-shirt design in different ways, right? With different people's names on it. Again, this one design is showing you that, okay, they can only buy one, but when they buy one quantity, they can buy more. So welcome back to the video, my friends. You're new here, my name is Jay, and on this channel I do everything from how-to videos and step-by-step guides, teach you exactly how to create and sell your own digital products online. And I recently did a live stream video teaching you exactly how to increase your overall revenue by selling print-on-demand products, but selling those products in bundles. And I talked a little bit about the secret behind providing more value as well as increasing your overall revenue. So I want to share that video with you right now. You can actually make passive income by targeting teachers in their whole entire team, right? So, you think about grade level teachers, first grade, second grade, third grade, fourth grade, they are working together in the year as a team. Most of the teachers work together during planning time. They're probably together during a holiday time. They're probably doing something for field trips. They're probably doing something for picture day. They're probably doing something for their school picnic. I mean, all type of things, right? The teachers in our schools are a close-knit community. And so why not capitalize on that and showcase a teacher t-shirt design in different ways, right? With different people's names on it. Again, this one design is showing you that, okay, they can only buy one, but when they buy one quantity, they can buy more, and they can add different variations to their product. Again, they had here, add your specific phrase you want. For instance, a black shirt is going to go to Mr. Smith. That pink shirt is going to go to Miss Sandra. You can personalize items collectively for people to sell as a group. Again, we're talking about maximizing your opportunity of making a sale. Sell teacher t-shirts, but think about them selling teacher shirts to a whole entire team as a group. Again, this is where you're able to make passive income online and to increase your sales as a beginner because you are targeting the group as a whole. Again, this one t-shirt design has generated almost $10,000 just by creating one design. And what they did here was they put that one design on different color t-shirts, but at the end of the day, guess what, my friend? It is still the same design, right? It's still the same style. It's still the same font. It's still the same heart element. It is still the same design. What make the difference is the color t-shirt in the specific name if you're personalizing that t-shirt. Again, this is a great way to sell if you are a beginner. Think about selling t-shirts as a whole. And this can just go beyond just the teacher niche, but this can go to the family niche. So this is a great place to sell. And our last one today, again, this is what I mean by creating t-shirts that's geared to a specific teaching group, a specific category of teachers, a specific subject in which a teacher teaches. Again, this is geared towards what? Kindergarten teacher shirt. So again, this person is designing this t-shirt for a kindergarten group, right? Just not for the individual. You might say, Jay, how do you know this is just not for the individual? Because again, I go back to the point here is that this t-shirt is showing me, okay, there's 3 different variations. And if I'm a teacher and I have a teacher next to me that's working, or maybe I'm working with 4 or 6 other teachers in my department, then yeah, I want to tell them about this shirt so we can show that, hey, kindergarten teachers rock. We're pretty cool. And let's just display our love for teaching with all having the same t-shirt, maybe in different phrases, different colors. But the overall goal here is that you want to capitalize on the opportunity of really has been doing what I've been telling you to do from the beginning. If you have been with me for a while, is you are able to increase your sales if you are able to increase the value for the customer, right? How can I increase the value for the customer? Well, of course, you can give some really super great design, but we can't read people's minds, right? So we don't know what this individual is going to like. All we can do is see the trail of success. So if I'm seeing the trail of success, how can I maximize my revenue? Is by selling a bundle, right? How can I differentiate my products? It's by selling a bundle. So this is what I mean by you can actually create this product for a lower price, well, a higher price when you're selling a bundle, but giving more value to the customer instead of you buying, in which I'm telling you now, that shirt's probably not $12, right? You go in a little bit deeper, you're gonna find that shirt's probably $16. So, there's a little strategy there with your pricing. But my point here is that if you're able to sell these things as a bundle, you're able to increase the value for the customer, right? They're not buying that individual product over and over again at the retail price. They can actually get a discount price because they're buying it as a bundle. Again, you increase the value for them, but you also increase your revenue. And I have personally seen this work, just not in my Etsy shop, but in my own personal Wix shop. If you haven't known, I also sell products on Wix also, and it works every time. I'm telling you right now, it works every single time. It's kind of like a little quick hack to getting your product sold. So super excited about that. So as you can see, selling print on demand products is very lucrative if you find different ways to stand out by creating these teacher bundles and providing more value to the marketplace. If you like videos like this, I create videos every single week teaching exactly how to create your own products, just like in this video. And so if you like content like this, consider subscribing to my channel. And if you got any value from today's video, let me know by hitting a like down below. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.